How to use PowerPoint as a teleprompter. PowerPoint can be used as a teleprompter in different ways, depending on your needs and preferences. Here are some options you can try. You can use the teleprompter view in PowerPoint, which shows your notes above the slide preview. This can be useful if you have a few lines of text per slide, but it does not scroll the text automatically. To use this option, you need to add speaker notes to your slides, then go to the record menu and click from beginning. Then click the Views button in the bottom right corner and select Teleprompter. You can create a working teleprompter in PowerPoint by setting the layout as blank and choosing black as the background style. Then you can type or paste your text in the title section and adjust the font size and color as you like. You can also add animations to make the text scroll up or down at a certain speed. To use this option, you need to create a new blank presentation, delete the subtitle section, and add your text to the title section. Then go to the Animations tab and click Add Animation. Choose Lines from the Motion Paths category and drag the arrow to make it point up or down. Then click Effect Options and adjust the speed and smoothness of the animation. You can also set the animation to start with previous or after previous, depending on how you want to control the timing. You can also use an external device such as a tablet or a smartphone as a teleprompter. You can either use a dedicated teleprompter app or simply open your PowerPoint presentation on the device and view it in full screen mode. You can place the device near your camera or use a special mount or stand to position it in front of the camera lens. This way, you can read your text while looking at the camera.